media, shaking hands with the fourth industrial revolution. Congratulations, you are now part of Progressive Force.
Sabona simali sethu kusho ke usonto sabona ukabaka khabazela umncane kusho ke unkazi leko babosizo kusho ukuthi le team yotivunda sabona kusho kusizana sabona siyabona ukuthi ke lokujabulisa ilutho kusho zinde plus ke uzayifunda kahle ugqoke imfanele kusho noNjabulo wakandlo. There's some sounds, man. I really do not know. I do not understand ithini into. Animvumele kulungise le sound le ifuna ungilimaza manje phela ngesikwazi ukuthi qale lo msebenzi sinale sound le. Khona into eyenziwa ile computer eqondene nale sound 1415 susevile bese sizokwenza bo 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 bo. 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, hello. 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 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, the man 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, hello. 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, hello. 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, hello. I need to sort out something. 1 2 1 2, ladies and gentlemen, hello. 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 Okay. Sindred Buffett. Asiqale la. Siqale simbingelelo fitness nonke nje ngokwehlukahlukana kwenu. Sibonga uthando. Asithathi for granted lento yokuthi nina senokuhlala nje manje nilindele mina, yabo. Leyo nto leyo isenze ukuthi umuntu akholwe ukuthi hayi bokusho ukuthi khona into engangempela umuntu ayiphethe angakwazi uku-offerisha abantu. Abanye kini ba professionals, yes. Abanye kini balandela indlela ethile yokucabanga ethola ukuthi iyavumelana nale mina engisebenza ngayo. Okunye ke makuvela kunina njengabafowethu nodadewethu kuvela kufana mhlambe nokunye, kodwa mhlawumbe omunye futhi mayicwaninga akubona ukuthi kusesigabeni sakho kodwa. Ngiyakujabulela njalo ukuba nabangani abasezingeni lokucabanga noma basesigabeni sokucabanga esifana nesami. Angithi siphezulu esami futhi angithi siphansi, kodwa ngithi isigaba esifanayo, siphansi noma siphezulu, because ayikho into emnandi njengokuvumelana. Ayikho into emnandi njengokuqala into uvunyelwe omunye, kwalana uyiqale uyiqedelwe omunye ngendlela efanayo nale wena obukade uzonjani uzoyiqedela ngayo. So kuyangijabulisa ukuba nabafowethu nodadewethu who share with me endleleni engibuka ngayo ikusasa, ikakhulukazi labantu abasha kulo mkhakha kakhulukazi wezobuciko. Ngazo zonke indlela umuntu uyazama ukuveza to be as creative as possible in this space of art. La sisuke sifuna ukuveza khona ukuthi usangakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke, futhi zenzeke nje lokwangempela, zenzeke nje futhi asingabikho ngisho ukukhalaza. Ikakhulukazi ke kule misebenzi yethu yokufundwa kwencwadi, ipoetry and all that. Ezinye zezinto lezo kukambalwa nje la uthola khona sengiba realistic njengaleyo qonywa ke. Kodwa nje okuningi kwakhona kuhlose ukukhuthaza kuhlose nokukunikeza izinto ezingezazo ongafisa ukuthi mawukhula uma uyingane encane. Ngiyababona nje ontanga yethu, kuye kungithobeke kakhulu ukuzwa umuntu ethi Mavundla ngimdala ngingaka kodwa kunezinto ezithile engizifundayo kuwena. Lokho ke kimina ayikukhulu ke nje nakho kukodwa ngoba akusiyona phese iaudience leyo engathi ngiyibhekile. Abantu labo esengibaregada ngokuthi hayi vele sebeyazi ngempilo, sebengakwazi nanokuthi bayidefend, bafuneke beyidefend, sebebonile, sebefundile njalo njalo. So kodwa ke futhi kuyangithokozisa uma kuqhubeka isikhathi uthi uthola feedback uyithole kontanga yenu akutshela ukuthi hey mfethu ngimdala kunawe kodwa kunezinto kwayinami engizicoshayo endleleni owenza ngayo. Asiqondile ke kangako futhi asikholwa ukuthi kukhona abantu esibadala ukunabo, kodwa siyakholelwa ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ukhonela ukuthi abelane nabanye ngalokho yena athi mayehamba endleleni wacosha inhloso kusuke ukuthi anikeze nabanye phambili. Sikubingelela ke kwi-page lethu lika Facebook Mavundla Media Experience, sikubingelele futhi kwi-page lethu lika TikTok Mavundla Media Experience. Ezinye ke zeinkundla lezi esizisebenzayo. Yebo bhuti usamasha hayi xa kugcine siyabonga kakhulu. Yabo, so into enkulu ileyo yokuthi ke sibheke ukuthi njengabantu abasha ngale nje ukuchithisana isizungu nokuthi hey ukhabazela uzomfunda nini, zimbili izinto enginethemba elikhulu lokuthi abantu abasha ikakhulukazi ama universities, because iningi lethu liyile ema universities. Angifuni ukuqambela manga sile safunda futhi safunda amakhozi nje, angifuni ukuqambela amakhozi angempela nje futhi sawaphasa futhi in record time, sasebenza futhi and specialized in those fields as one would have expected. Abanye kini abanalo ulwazi ngiyazi. I'm an accountant by profession. I studied law, I studied tax, I studied auditing, I studied accounting. Ask me anything about these, uzokwazi uku-understand ukuthi kwezinye zezinto esiqhamuka sesiyicharacterize, ezinye sizenze sengazuthi ziwumdlalo nani sisuke siwazi umthetho ngemva kwakho. Number 1. Number 2, sisuke sisazi isikole esilawula ukusebenza kwaleyo naleyo nto esisuke sikhuluma ngayo. Sisuke si-understanda futhi ukuthi ithini ipolitiki ekhona uma kukhulunywa ngokucindezelwa kwabantu abamnyama emkhakheni wezobuciko. Understand into engishoyo. 2, sisesigabeni nakwi-level la singakwazi khona ukuphuhlisa noma ukuqala i-art entsha siyithuthukise ize ibe i-industry yona ngesingayo, ibe nabantu esebekhompyutha bebodwa because ibingakaze ibe khona. Izinto esithi thina sifuna ukuchallenge ikakhulukazi abantu abasha ukuthi bayicabange. Ungakujabuleli ukuthi wena uhlala ku TikTok ulindele uMavundla kuphele u2 hours, kuphele u3 hours, kungekho lutho oluedekayo kuwena other than ukuthi uhleli ubuka uMavundla. That's it. Akukho content ozoyithola kuMavundla ethi wow, yazi I've never looked at life ngisebenzisa le engele aseyisebenzisile yena. Ukwazi nokuyiphikela eminye imiqondo efihlwe emisebenzini yethu kwayithina imiqondo besingazange siyenze njani siyinake, ngoba ngihlala ngisho njalo ngithi ngiyakholelwa mina kakhulukazi ukuthi ama-artist ayikade ekhona before umhlaba uzudalwe ayoba khona futhi nalapho umhlaba usuphelile, because anomoya othile wobuprofeti. Ngikholwa ukuthi ngingomunye walabo bantu, kuukuthi ke I operate in a normal way. Mangikhuluma nje ngidinga umunye umuntu onomoya ukwazi ukuzwa izinto ukuthi angi-understand. Angizamuli, angithi baba ngiyasho nje ngoba ngisho kube ukuthi mawukwazi uku-understand then uzokwazi ukuyithola lento engichazayo. Number 1. So kwesinye isikhathi sike senza izinto ezenziwa cishwe yibo bonke abanye abantu, kodwa sithola i-angle eyehlukile ezokwenza kube singathi wenza okunye kanti wenza okwenziwa yibo bonke nje abanye abantu kuukuthi kukhona izinto ezithile ozisebenzise njengezinsika zokuncikisa noma zokubhadeka lokho osukusebenza ngakho ukwenzela ukuthi kubukeke kunje ngokwehlukile. As a black child, you need to appreciate that as well. Bese uyabheka ukuthi what can I cut as a pattern nami kuyokusebenzisa kwini kwezami izinto. Ileyo nto thina esikhonela yona to inspire you. I think there's very less that we still aspire to achieve. At my age, I think I've achieved almost everything that I wanted to achieve. This is for the first, maybe even for the last time I'm saying this. I think I am at a level wherein konke ngangufisa empilweni yami sengaku-achieve. And esengikuphilela manje is to inspire abanye abantu abasha ukuthi bathi ikuphi bona bangazithathela khona kimina. Angive ngiyithanda inhliziyo yami imsulwa angihlebi uma kukhona okuthile engingakuthandanga okwenzile angiliboni iphutha ekuthenini ngikufonele ngikubuze ukuthi bafo wenze njani ungichazele ngixolise makuukuthi ngi-understand wrong into obuyenza makuukuthi nawe uyalibona iphutha sigcine sesibonisana sivumelane futhi ukuthi I know yazi imfethu ayidlule awukho umgodi ukugqiba umuntu siqhubeke nempilo angizondi umuntu kuphela masingavumelane into esiqhathayo mina nabantu ama values and principles. If kunama principle, I'm a very principled person. Uma ngisheshe ngi-outline zisuka indlela yami yokusebenza nendlela nobuhlobo engibakhayo nabantu akubona obokuncenga anything. But khona la engake ngaze ngasho khona ngathi thina masikuhlonipha ukuze ucabanga ukuthi kuhlonipha ngoba siyakusaba. Thina masikuhlonipha sike sikuhloniphe uze uyitshele ukuthi wena khona into ethile esifuna kuwena kanti ayikho kwangempela kunalokho mhlawumbe kungaze kusho wena ukuthi singakusiza ngani sikusize futhi kwangempela sikhohlwe futhi ukuthi sake sakusiza. So ngifuna ukuthini ke na ngithi sengazi ukuthi nalaba aba esigqishe nabo bangangi-understanda kuleso sigaba sokuthi ngiyulolu hlobo lomuntu okufikelelakayo kuyena. Uma kukhona uburong obuthile ocabanga ukuthi hayi Mavunda ngicathi uziyabhayizake lapho boy uzozwa mina usho nje bethu kuphi. I'm not stubborn because mina ngiyinhlanganisela yezeluleko engizithole kwabangizondayo nabangithandayo. There's only two things engizibukayo empilweni. It's either you are a blessing or you are a lesson. Kunabantu abafika empilweni yami ngithi mina hayi lo wafikela ukuzoba isibusiso, lo wafikela ukuzoba isifundo. Sengiyazi kusukela manje ukuthi ngizombuka ngaliphiliso. Yayibona into engisho. Now ngiyafisa ukuthi nakulabo abafisa ukugqisha nami, we are not very much obsessed about the numbers, quantity of how many people abagqishe nami. We are more concerned and obsessed about the quality of the relationships that we share. Ayikho into engiyithanda njengokuthi mangi-engage nawe, ngi-engage nani, ngithola ukuthi kunomuntu lapha ya. Asichithi nje isikhathi. I'm a very busy person to just come and entertain. But at the very same time, as much as umuntu efuna uku-educator, we do not want to do that ngendlela ebhorayo or engezukulandeleka. Ezinye zezinto ezasenza sibhale nezincwadi lezi esibhalayo ingoba khona izinto esifuna ukuzisho kodwa ngendlela eyehlukile. Yayibona into engishoyo. Ngihlala ngiphendula abantu ngonyaka wesithembiso ngithi kunemibono eminingi enginayo uma kukhulunywa ngothando. Ebengingathatha iplatform ngithi siyabonga kakhulu umphathi ohlelo uthando ke 1 2 3 uthando ke 3 5 6. No, rather let me tell a story. Automatically olalele leso story uzobe seyithathela yena izifundo mina engizama ukuzidlulisa ngisebenzisa izimo izinto nama characters lawo engisuke ngiwacastile as making up that particular story. You understand the Facebook. Now ibalekile ke le kimi yokuthi nanoma ungena la ucomment unginikeza ifeedback around how you think, what is going to happen. Sengathi ungaba kanye nami kule nhloso yokufundisa na kule nhloso yokuelevator 3 na kule nhloso yokuthi ke sesifundile saqeda sa inspirationa ngama messages and everything siphinde futhi sizenzele imali ngalokho okuyisizathu esenza ngithi ke eminye imisebenzi esiyenza la siyayithatha siyoyi-uploada ku YouTube abazofika later njengabo 10 bazothi sesilahlekele uqalwephi guys uzokuthola ku YouTube mungena ku YouTube usuyasikhokhela ngokwenza kwakho kanjalo. We understand the concept of advertising, marketing and PR. Kukhona la esizokwenza khona izinto mahala uthi usuglued usucrazy usuhlanya ngazo bese sikuvalela ngaphandle so that uzokwenza noma yini ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi masithi ngingenwa ngo100 rand uthi hayi ngancame ngiyofuna ngancame ngiyontshontsha. Why? Because we triggered a demand when we cultivated a need for that particular service. You understand ngisho? Those are the things engithi mina ngingafisa ukuthi uzifunde endleleni esenza ngayo ini izinto. Ngithi kuwe mina aliphela usuku engekho kini okubangela umsindo ukuthi ukhabazele esigcawu 16 and 17 sizosithola nini. Why? Because iningi leni alisakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kabani kakhabazela. Ngithi ngiyachecka in a space of very few minutes, less than 10 minutes nginama likes awu 134,000. Ngithi ngiyachecka nginama viewers awu 1,800 already on a simple live nje wami ngifunda ini incwadi. Now umuntu osoma business usuyaqala ukubona already ukuthi hey there's a meeting point eyenzakalayo njalo nini ngo9 o'clock ebusuku ebese funa ispace sokuzomarketa whatever it is that they are selling either as a product or as a service bese sivula leso space at a fee. How mavundla bayithatha phi imali and stuff like that. How hey and you understand? So I want you to work with me along those lines. I want to be remembered as such an intellect who cultivated and came about with new trends and new things that have never been seen and made everyone to be glued on one thing for purposes of knowing what is happening. If ungangibamba kuleso sigaba and appreciate kuleso sigaba, I promise you will be as different as ever than before. I am here to inspire young boys and young girls who no longer believe on education system as means of getting employed. I'm here to denounce indaba ethi sesifundile sinama graduates we've graduated on different qualifications but asiqashiwe and all that. I am here to prove kubantu abaningi abasha ukuthi indaba yemisindo esibangayo ko social media sikhuluma ngezinto eziningi ozothi mawusungena kuzona uthi hawu sengikhulume kangaka bafethu sengikhulume kangaka ngaleso sikhathi asisakunakile because use level inencane kakhulu kunale level esikuyona masenza izinto. Kwesinye isikhathi ungene uphawule la ucomment nginayo impendulo ngiyibona ukuthi izongehlisa izongiphoqa ukuthi ngehle kulesi sigaba sokucabanga ngizolingana nawe ngikuphendule nakhona uthola ukuthi awuyizwa ngempendulo bese ngivele ngiyeka. Kukhona la engike ngazi ngathi khona it's not that angene groundini ngingajimile angikhulumi ngesihloko engingasazi. Yingakho even at times when there's people attacking me from all the sides, I play it light, I play it kind, because so I understand good. If I were to play it as equal as you, I may just harm you and probably even finish you off. We are not here to show off to each other of our calibers. I'm at this level, you are at that level. No. And I'm saying that because I have at times been at a particular level where I was lower than other levels. And I know what it is to be looked down at. I understand? Bese githi mina ukunokuthi ngikubukele phansi angikwenze kube umsebenzi wami ukuphakamisa. So those of you who are tempted to use whatever frustrations they have, to throw stones at each other. I think we could still use social media as a platform rather to constructively build than to destroy. Especially if it's young people. Yabo? That is what I am about. And that is what I want to be remembered for. Yabo? So, iloko. That's number one. Number two. We are here on social media, not necessarily to exhibit or showcase our personal lives per se. Yes, there's no way you can divorce yourself from your personal things. But can you please consume that which I am giving you as of this space? There's people we know each other outside this screen. There's stuff that you know about me, which I have never brought to this very screen. But you've got the audacity and decency to even come on this particular platform and tell stuff that I have never told. Why do you do that? Why do you even make my personal information public when I have never done that? Are you that desperate for attention? Are you that vulnerable and desperate to break news? We can still do better. I believe we can still do better. I don't want to spend long minutes ngikhuluma ngalento because I believe it is at a level very low. I think we can spend this time to joke, kill time with constructive stuff. We can spend this time to ask questions. How did you do what? You understand? Once we can do that, I think we would have won. Le message ke adicimba ngeyawo wonke umuntu ulapha noma meleyo. Ngeyalo eyenzelwe yena. You understand? So ke ilo kuningixolele ama comments abengawafundi ngani na ngesizathu sokuthi kwesinye isikhathi ngiyafisa nje ukuthi uthi usuyilalelile incwadi ukuyihluphe nje ukuthi hebafethu siglued sizolalela ukhabazela a non-story. It was never there. Someone slept and woke up with this story esesifuna ukusilandela as if it existed somewhere. But we still have people abangena la kuyimanje ngoba sikhuluma baya screen recorder, bang screen recordela ukuyo poster ku YouTube. Kuluva is one of the people, Kuluva TV or Kuluva Media, whatever, without even asking for my, get me no, you can go ahead. And we are here talking intellectual property. Uthi uyi content creator kodwa uyontshontshwa umsebenzi yomunye umuntu okucacile futhi ukuthi akukho kwenye indawo la lo msebenzi ongawuthola khona. Uwenze wena kube owakho lo msebenzi owubonayo ukuthi it's creative craft. It was created, it was never there. Ungene la ngifuna nje umlinde nje mase eqala incwadi yakhe uyilalele yonke uyithathe uyoyiposta ku YouTube akukhokhela uYouTube udle nawe uyitshela ukuthi umuntu nje wangempela. That is disrespect in its highest order. And as we move and delve into these social media spaces, either as content creators or as observers, as black kids, we need to consider ukuthi we need to be ethical. We need to be principled in doing whatever it is that we are doing. How can you screen record a whole creativity yomunye umuntu and sell it like that? Wehluke ngani nalabo abantu abadayisa ama CD o 10 rand lapha emgaqweni and you say to us you are an influencer, you say to us you are a content creator, creating what nonsense? I really would want for our content creators, especially the YouTubers, ukuthi babe very careful, especially since kuwabantu esikwazi ukuhlangana nabo even nala emigwaqeni nje ukuthi do not do that. We do not even have to take each other to court like some of us are commenting here. Just stop. You can ungaba intatheli yothathela ezinye izinto zezepolitiki. EFF ibisendaweni ethile yenza ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe hey kathi ugijime emgaqweni wenza ukuthi bawini case kanje. That is not creativity. That is just news. You can do that if you are a news channel. But if you are a content developer, if you are a content creator, be careful of intellectual properties. You may also even want to check with the owner of that particular content how you can approach, delivering that. We had an event at Caris Fountain this weekend. We had people abathi siyeza mavundla siyafisa ukuthi umcimbi wakho sinjani sizowushoot. Ama-YouTubers lawo esikhuluma ngawo. We had to agree thina nabo ukuthi bafethu entweni ezobe yenzeka you can only go as far as broadcasting this, but you can't broadcast this. We had a lot of people coming because very obviously istory sethu besidayiseka kuwesawo wonke umuntu. Yayizinto engisho sinento ngisho ethi sizosuka ngalesi sikhathi siyo addressa imedia including everyone, including your YouTubers. If you respect us, you are not going to treat us as any other event or as your event. If as the owners of that particular event we are saying to you, can we move siyome endaweni ethile so that we address each other, that is because ohlelweni lwethu lokwenza esikwenzayo siyazi ukuthi media kufanele si-addressele kuphi kanjani why. When ubusufuna ukuzodictatela ukuthi no it shouldn't be done that way, who are you? Kuwes uma ngabe kuukuthi besingazange sikumeme kodwa saku-accepta ngoba na uyingane yangakithi emnyama okufanele ngabe njani izosebenza kanye nathi. Ubuye uzosibhala uzosithendisa kabi sengazi ukuthi siyizitha nawe. Those things should stop because we are trying by all means to be as professional as we can ever be in delivering the concept in a different way as black kids trying to shape social media for a meaningful cause at the end of the day to inspire all those that are coming behind us. But if you are going to come to us nomqondo thile or foreign to how we are approaching things, that is disrespect at its very highest order. And we are saying, those of you that want to grisha with us, let them do that with respect and consideration of that which we are trying to achieve. Ngikhuluma nama content creators la. Ngikhuluma nabo bonke laba bantu ababhala ngezinto zabanye. Baziposte benze ngazi imali bengazange bacheck nabanye. Ngikhuluma nabo bonke laba abantu abanga-understand ukuthi uma sikwi-media asikwazi ukudayisana kabi kube sengathi sikwi-competition. Yayibona into engichazayo. Ngiyabayeka nje laba abanye othola ukuthi egcineni kosuku bayifica i-content isikhona kuke watrend into eningi la kayenzi and everything. And uthi mawuthi uyayicheck i-origin yakhona uthola ukuthi akukho wrong uyenzi akwenzile. It is just that people are unprofessional and they want to do things ngendlela yabo esingenankinga nayo kodwa sinenkinga mangabe izogxobana neyethu. Ebese silokhu sihlonipha-ke ngoba inhloso yethu ukuthi mhlambe yize uzosivalela ekhoneni kuyima kube ukuthi nathi bingasekho enye into ebesingayenza. But ngiyafisa ukunxenxa ikakhulukazi kubafana laba abasebancane. Labafana nje abasebancane abasangena kule nto yo-YouTube ukuthi sengazi ukuthi singahloniphana. Engazuthi singahloniphana kubeka eceleni nje ukuthi omunye ungakanani komunye angikho lapho uma sisemsebenzini sisebenza indaba ye-age ayingeni kodwa kufuneka sibe professional at what we do so that we are going to be respected and not trend for rubbish. Yabo ngithi angikusho lokhu ngikusho once ngingaphinde ngikusho because kukhona umuntu ozothi awu angaze ngibone kumavundle nje enje ngikusho ngoba for some whatever reasons planned the light is shining on us for planned reasons obviously, But I wish for everyone who see us even under that light to see us in a positive light, especially if we've never done anything to attract negativity. Yabo? For the very reason that you are Googling us, you checking our personal lives, you are not finding us. That should be telling you something. Some of you are going, Mavunda's wife, Mavunda's wedding, Mavunda's kids, blah, blah, blah. Why? Because you want to bring us to tabloid spaces. You want to bring us to gossip spaces. Fuck that. We can do better than that. As black kids, unless you've given up that much on life, that all you live for is to dig only the rotten of a person and then bring it back for it to be a story. What do you gain out of that? Unless you are an unemployed graduate, you still need a job. Instead of using this space to emancipate yourself, to be qualified and employable, no. Yours is to sell people in a different and in a wrong light. Stop that. Ngisho lokhu ke njengobhuti omdala ngoba nayo lento yobudala phela hayi ukuthi sibolekile sibadala nje futhi lokho angempela ukuthi sikukhethile ukuba abancane sakhetha saze sakhetha ngisho nangezidlo esiyidlayo sakhetha ngisho nangezenze esizenzayo ingakho singeke size sikuke because we've chosen to look like we are your age when in actual fact singakuzala nokukuzala. Right? Asilungiseke leyo nto ngani zakwethu so that even nanoma mina I am known to be a very chilly person, joking all the way till the end because that is how I phila. Mina ngifuna icompany ezongenza ngihleke, ngifuna icompany, I need people abazongenza ngize ngingazi ngisho ukuthi ngilale nini. If uzofika kimi nestress esiningi ngikukhethile lokhu kuyizungeza ngabantu abayithandela ukuhleka nokuhlekisa ngiyakuthanda nje because impilo inzima bafethu ukuthi singalokhu sifrustrateana akumina owakuphikayo akumina owathi ngikuzali musu ukuthatha lo frustration akumina owakuhethayo girlfriend or boyfriend akumina owakuhethayo musu ukuthatha frustration yakho uzoyithulela kimina kanjani manje. Yeah, but then sure. Rather find ways through which we can heal each other. We all have our own problems. We all have our own challenges. Why do we have to come on social media and rant and vent? Yabo cool ofethu. Usazi nani ukuthi ngifunde lencwadi. Yabo, but iningi leni lihet nina. Iningi leni linenhliziyo ezibuhlungu ezimbi ezinye. Abanye kini babathakathi. Mangekhona bazalwa abathakathi. Uyabona nto le uzwe nje ngecomment yomuntu ukuthi hawu kodwa Nkosi yami nomjida ngimenzeni bafethu. Mina akekho umuntu owazi abantu njengami ongathi mina kimi wakwahlangana nami wherever ngamphakamela. Nginazo zonke izinto abantu la ngaphandle abaphakama ngazo, but I've never seen any reason yokuthi ngiphakamela omunye umuntu, and ngikwenza lokho because I want it back from you, and if you don't give it back then we have a problem. Asiqaleni sigcinephi noKhabazela. Ngisacela ofonayo ngicela ukuthi angasafoneli le Shandise engishoyo izosenza silale si-angry yabo. Ngicela ukuthi ofonayo kube ukuthi ufonela nje ukuzositshela ukuthi sigcinephi noKhabazela ngifunde lezi igcawu embili ngoba usuku lami lokugcina vele lamhlanje kusasa ngengene. So but ke nje lilonke bafethu ngicela ukunitshela ngiyanithanda ke ngisho ngithanda futhi lokhu kwami ngempela yezwani if benginganithandi mina mase ngisifaka sonke embanjeni mina yabo, and ngabe ngisifaka sonke manje kuba buhlungu futhi phela mase usifaka sonke embanjeni kumuntu ovela undani uyamthanda yabo into engisho. So zonke insizwa owethu abanye ke hayi abathule yabo ilokho bafethu. Nginikeza ingane yakho yomfana, nginikeza ingane yakho yentombazane, ngikukhulisele yona ibe nenhliziyo emsulwa, ibe nenhliziyo emnene. Siwenze amaphutha yebo njengabo bonke abantu. I'm not claiming to be saint. Nginamacala nami la emizini yabantu. Khona abanye abake bengibuke nje la ngikhuluma la bethi hey lowo njalo ingane yethu kuba uyazi ukuthi wayenzani ingane. Nginawo amacala, but that does not make me ngizichaze ngamaphutha izolo. Ngivuka ngiphinde ngikhuluma izinto ezinye zezinto engizikhuluma kubantu ngisuke ngizikhuluma ezinye zazo kimina. Yebo lonto leyo. So mangikuthi 2020 ngisuke ngikubuyisa nje endleleni ukwenzela ukuthi nangamhla sihlangana under chilled atmospheres, but to understand ukuthi ngale kwale Shandisi there's a plan and we are working on that very plan. Facebook, TikTok,